From Cappadocia, sky so high, where colors dance and balloons fly,
to Istanbul, where continents meet. History walks in every street.
Golden mornings on the shore,
Dreams you've never seen before.
mountains whisper through the breeze.
Turkey calls across the seas.
Hear the waves,
Hear the night,
feel the heart,
feel the light.
every road
Every view
leads the world
to something new. Turkey, land of endless light, burning gold in every night.
blue horizons, ancient flame.
No two sunsets look the same. Turkey, where the hearts belong. Every city sings a song.
Come and see, come and stay.
You will never fade away.
Walk through markets full of spice,
Smiles that warm you in a glance.
tea on hills of emerald green.
Like a living painted dream.
Sailing where the waters shine,
Ruins standing through all time.
from the east to western seas.
Magic lives in memories.
Hear the drums,
Hear the sea
feel the soul.
running free.
Every road
Every view
shows the world
a life renewed. Turkey, land of endless light, burning gold in every night.
blue horizons, ancient flame.
No two sunsets look the same. Turkey, where the hearts belong. Every city sings a song.
Come and see, come and stay.
You will never fade away.
If paradise had a name tonight,
It would glow in Turkish light.
if the earth could choose one place,
It would